Did you know that you have the ability to restrict logon times for Active Directory users for specific days or hours? This is a great way to make sure that everyone is following your company's working hours policy and improve your security by making it impossible for hackers to log in when no one is supposed to be in the office. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can restrict logon time for a single users or a group of users. I'm on my Active Directory domain controller, and I'm going to open up Active Directory users and computers, and I'm going to expand the OU where I have my user for whom I would like to restrict the logon time, Michael Green. Right click on Michael Green and click on Properties, click on Account tab and click on Logon Hours. In this window, you can see Logon Permitted and Logon Denied. So currently it is selected to Logon Permitted, which is the blue one. So this shows that the user can log on 24/7. So I'm going to select the hours or days on which this user is not supposed to log in. So that will be non-business hours. So this is 12 a.m. to 9 a.m. I'll select Logon Denied. And then from 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. I'll select Logon Denied. And it's not going to work on Saturdays and Sundays. So I'll select Logon Denied. All right, so it's supposed to work from Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. And you can see here. All right, so I'm going to click on OK and click on Apply and click on OK. All right, so this is how you set logon hours for an user. Now let's say you want to restrict logon hours for multiple users. In that case, you're going to select those multiple users, right click on them and click on Properties, and then click on Account tab, select Logon Hours. So now you can restrict the logon hours for a group of users. Okay, I'm going to click Cancel and close this out and close Active Directory users and computers. Now let's say you want to disconnect the users when their logon time expires. So with the help of group policy, you can disconnect a user who is already logged on when their logon time expires. Now let me show you how you can create a GPO and assign it to an OU that contains users for whom you would like to disconnect their sessions when their logon time expires. All right, so I'm going to click on Start and expand Windows Administrative Tools and click on Group Policy Management. Okay, I'm going to select my OU that contains the users. So that will be IT users. And I'm going to right click on users OU and click on create a GPO in this domain and link it here. And I'll name this as logon_restrictions and click on OK. I'm going to right click on the new GPO and click on edit. I'll expand computer configuration, policies, Windows settings, security settings, local policies, and security options. I'll maximize this. Now in this list, I will look for Microsoft Network Server disconnect clients when logon hours expire. So I'm going to double click on this and I'll select define this policy setting and keep it enabled. Click apply, click OK. So this policy is now active. So a user will be disconnected when their logon hours expire. Now let's see what would be the message that a user will get if the user tries to log on outside of the logon hours. So I'll log in as Michael Green. Okay, so it says your account has time restrictions that keep you from signing in right now. All right, this is it. This is how you restrict logon time for your Active Directory users. I hope you like this video. For more videos like these, please subscribe to my channel.